With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Let's start the question. The question says that here we are provided with a sequence of reactions with different reagents and the product formed are P, Q and R in those cases. So here actually we have to carry out the sequence of reactions and then we have to identify the structures of P and Q respectively from the four options which are labeled as A, B, C and D provided in the questions. So let us start the solution to our question. First of all, if we draw the structure of the reactant species, it is like this. Here we have a benzene ring, C double bond O, and like this. Here this is ester linkage. Then here we have double bond O. Here we have double bond O and a methyl group. This is our reactant which is given to us. If we carry out its reaction in the first case by lithium aluminium hydride. So first let us understand the role of lithium aluminium hydride. It is an example of a strong reducing agent which can reduce ester and aldehyde. Ester and aldehyde both can be reduced by using lithium aluminium hydride. So what will happen when this reaction proceeds? This pi bond will shift onto the oxygen here and there will be negative charge reduced on the oxygen. So this will be the product intermediate we can say form. Here we have oxygen, then oxygen like this, oxygen with a negative, hydrogen will attach. Here also we will be having oxygen with a negative, methyl group already present and hydrogen which will be here. Then we have our oxygen to which there's a negative and here hydrogen will attach. Now in order we see here carbon is leading to the formation of 5 bonds. In order to, carbon should not form 5 bonds. What will happen? This negative will come down, this will shift here, and what will happen as a result of which when this solvent ETOD is added, it will attach wherever there is a formation of a negative charge in the above case. So the resulting product formed as a result of this reaction will be like this. Here we have a double bond O, then this bond has broken. Here we'll have OD, then we have OD here also, then a methyl group and one hydrogen which will come here. Even if you show it or not, it's the same thing, OD and one hydrogen. This will be our product P formed. Now in the next case, what will happen? We have to show the second sequence of reaction. So for that, if we draw the molecule of the reactant again, here we have double bond O, oxygen. This is our molecule, double bond O. Here also we have double bond O and a methyl group which is there. Now in this case, it is reacting with palladium in the presence of H2. So what will happen? This will also be used for carrying out the reduction. But in this case, what will happen? While using PdH2, only the groups which will be reduced are aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone will be reduced. So this ester group will not be reduced. No reduction of ester group will take place. So what will happen? As a result of this reaction, this will be the product which will be formed. This benzene ring will remain as it is. Ester group will also remain as it is because no reduction of ester is taking place. Here we will be having OH, hydrogen if we show here. Here also we'll have OH, methyl group and hydrogen. This will be our product Q formed as a result of second sequence of reaction. So now here we have solved, we have got the structure of P, we have got the structure of Q, but in order to complete the question, we can carry out the third sequence of reaction also, that is when it is reacting with NABD4. So if I draw the structure of the reactant species again, here we have a benzene ring, then C double bond O, then an oxygen. Here we have double bond O, here also double bond O and a methyl group. Now what is happening further? It is reacting with NABD4. As a result of which, what will happen? What is the use of using NaBd4? See here, it is similar to NaBH4, but just instead of hydrogen, its isotope deuterium is used here. So it also reduces only the aldehyde and the keto group. So this ester group, no reduction of the ester group will take place. No reduction of ester. So only this carbonyl and this will be reduced. So if I draw the structure of the intermediate which will be formed as a result when this reaction proceeds in the first step, ester group is remained unchanged. So we'll draw the right side just like this. Here we will be having deuterium attached because NaBd4 is reacting. Then O with the negative methyl group and deuterium. Now what will happen when the solvent is added? The solvent is ETOH. So it will attach, this solvent will take negative charge from H plus and the resulting product will be having this type of structure. Here we have a benzene ring, right side of the compound remaining unchanged as no reduction of ester has taken place. Here we have our OH and wherever there is O negative, OH will form and the rest of the compound will stay the same. Here we have a deuterium methyl group, actually not the deuterium. If I draw this more specifically, here we had OH, then we have deuterium. Now this will be our product R formed. So if we check this is our P, this is our Q, for which we have to answer in the question the structure of P and Q respectively. If we see in the question, it correctly matches to the option which is given to us in option A. Why? Because you see here, in this case, there is the dissociation or we can say the reduction of the ester group also taking place. So this cannot be correct. C also cannot be correct because here also the ester group is getting reduced. Then B can also not be correct because ester group is getting reduced, which could not be the structure for Q because in that case ester group is not getting reduced. So we are left with only just one option, that is option A. So we can write here as a concluding statement that the final answer to our question, or we can say the structure of P and Q respectively formed, are given in option A. So that was all about this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.